So this is the very unimpressive amount of bubbling at no more than 20 centimeters below the surface of the water. This one is going slightly better, but it's nowhere near the flow rate through this hose that we are supposed to get. The suction side at the blower doesn't seem to be taking in that much air, so I think it might be a pressure issue. I'll just have to pressure fit every single one of these fittings with a clamp, but I'm not exactly sure if that is the problem. It might be the problem, but that pump's supposed to put out enough pressure that this isn't supposed to make a difference. Or is it? Slightly frustrated. If I move the hoses all the way to the bottom of the fish tank, it almost stops bubbling completely, like the pressure is then overwhelming. Yeah, we can see it nicely. This one I've got it slightly at the top. It's bubbling quite well. I don't know if you can see it that well, and even slightly deeper here, and then in the middle here where it's at the deepest, it's not letting through any air, and as it rises back up on that side, it lets through some air. On a side note, our weight stones seem to be doing the job, and they are not disintegrating yet, so that's a good thing.